Students, how many two-digit even numbers can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if the digits can be repeated? Okay, that is for this problem I consider smallest number, that is I consider that is numbers 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 numbers na select ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ how many two digits even numbers na ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ನಾನು. two digit number either it is 1 2 or it is 3 2 or it is 2 2 or it is 2 2 or if it is which is that is the these are the three possibilities for that is the possible ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ three possibilities for that is the three number of ways for selecting the possible even numbers. That means ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is even place ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 10th place ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ even number ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಧದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜೋಡಿಸಬಹುದು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಿಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಮಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿ ಜೋಡಿಸಬಹುದು. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ even number ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗ even number ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅದು even number ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿನೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಅಷ್ಟ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ there is only one possibility for placing that is unit placing possibility ಒಂದೇ ನಂಬರ್. ಅದನ್ನ one number ಯಾವುದು ಇರಬಹುದು ಅದು 2 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ 10th ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರಬಹುದು either 1 or 2 or 3 means that is there are possibility for choosing this box here it is 3 place. That means according to the fundamental principle of counting how many possible ways for two digit even numbers that is totally 3 number of ways for that is 3 two digit number can be formed using the letters 1 2 3. In similar manner for this question, what is this question? That is the how many two digit even numbers can be formed using the digits 1 2 5 1 2 3 4 5 rather than then how many possibility that is how many even numbers are there? Okay, there are there is two even numbers. That is there are two even number possibilities are there. That is which are the even numbers? That is either 2 or 4. Either 2 or 4. There is a two possibilities 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4. There are two even numbers 2 and 4. That means according to the even number that is even number ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ two possibilities either 2 or 4 means ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಂದ್ರೆ 2. ಓಕೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ನ ತುಂಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಅದಾವೋ how many possibilities for this there is totally 5 digits are there. There are 5 digits are there means possibility for this 10th place is 5 means according to the fundamental principle of counting that is total number of ways is 10 number of ways ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 2 digits even numbers ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. That is how many 3 digit numbers can be formed using the digits 1 2 3 4 5 if repetition of the letters is all allowed and not allowed. ಎರಡು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. For this consider that is consider the letters that is 1 2 3 using 1 2 3 how many 3 digit number can be formed whenever repetition is not allowed. I consider this repetition of not allowed idaga how many possibilities that is either I write 1 2 3 or if you write 2 1 3 or it is 3 1 2. Okay, then next similarly that is 2 3 1 that is 2 3 1 that is 3 2 1. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 1 2 3 that is 1 3 2 1 3 2. Okay, these are the 6 possible that is numbers arrangement for using the letters 1 2 3. That is whenever the repetition of the letters is not allowed ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ repetition is not allowed for this case. For generally I write box wise ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. That is unit place that is 3 place ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ that is unit place can be filled with that is 1 2 3 letters ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿಂದ either 3 ways ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು either 1 or 2 or 3. ನೋಡಿ 3 ಬಂದಿದೆ Okay, 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ or 1 ಅನ್ನು ಬರೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Okay, there is 3 possible ways for choosing this place, that is unit place. Okay, similarly for 10th place. Okay, 10th place ಒಳಗೆ 3 ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 2. Means possibility for this box will be, it is 10th place will be 2. Okay, 10th place ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ನ 2 ತುಂಬಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋ 1 ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, only 1 number. Means the total possible number of ways is 1 into 2 into 3, that is the 6th number of possible ways for choosing, that is our number of ways for can be formed, that is 3-digit number can be formed using the letters 1 2 3. Whenever repetition is not allowed. When the repetition is allowed, the total number of possibility means, that is unit place can be filled with either 3 letters. 3 letters ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 letters ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. 1 ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, 2 ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, 3 ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು 3 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ತುಂಬಿದ್ರಂದ್ರ ನೀವು 3 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. That is unit place can be filled with 3 letters, 3 digits, and 10th place can be filled with 3 digits, and 100 place can be filled with 3 digits because of repetition is allowed for second case. This is for first case. In second case is repetition is allowed, means total number of possibilities is 3 into 3 into 3, means there are 27 possible number of arranging the 3-digit number. For your clarification, if you check the numbers for arranging these type, there is 27. There are 27 number of arrangements are there. Okay, the similar way for this question, how many 3-digit number can be formed using that as 1 2 3 4 5, means that is when the repetition is allowed, that is total number of possibilities means, that is unit place can be filled with either 5 digits. 5 ಲೆಟರ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಲೆಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟರ್ ನಾ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ನಂತರ that is number of possibilities for second, that is 10th place is, that is 4. Next 4 place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ನಾ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರಂದ್ರ that is number of possibilities for, that is 100 place is 3, means according to the fundamental principle of counting, that is total number of possibilities is 3 into 15, 15 into 4, that is the 60 possible number of ways for 3-digit number whenever repetition is not allowed. Okay, that is when repetition is allowed, the total number of possibilities are, that is 10th place or unit place can be filled with 5 letters, 5 digits, 5 numbers, and repetition is allowed, means again we take 5 numbers. Other if you take 100 place also 5 numbers, that is according to the that is fundamental principle of counting, that is 5 into 5 25, 25 into 5 is 125 number of ways whenever the repetition is allowed using the letters, using the numbers 1 2 3 4 5.